Whoa, look at the size of that shark. Whoa, dude. Here we go. Thank you. What happened? Whoa. Welcome back. We are back at it again, fishing in the kayak. It is a Monday, as you can see. It's some cloudy skies behind me. It's an outgoing tide. It's 10:13. It's not the best fishing conditions right now. Outgoing tide. It's really grassy, but sometimes we have to make the best of when we can go fishing and go fishing. The weather's not always going to cooperate. The tide's not always going to cooperate. But if you get some time, it's always lucky just to be out here, to be on the water, try to catch a fish. Today, I'm just trying to get me a sea trout or two and see if I can win a boat. I'm fishing the CCA tournament. CCA is a Coastal Conservation Association. They do a tournament. It's the 100 Days of Summer. And it's a catch photo release. There's like several different divisions, but today I'm fishing in the Seatrout division. For Seatrout and the Kayak division, both. Hey, turtle. I could win a new kayak, or I could win a new, I think it's a canoe this year. Oh, yeah. Hey, that's one of them. Big old trout skis. That is a good one right there. That is a good one. Run the board, boys. Let's get out the clink board. I know, I hear you. I hear you flopping. Dude, you're throwing up all your breakfast and lunch. I just want a really quick picture here of you at 20 inches. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, let's get you out of here. I'll get these pliers in there real quick. There. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Looky there. Nice one. 20 incher. All righty, please swim on out of here. Woo-hoo! 20-inch sea trout, man, those don't come every day. That made the trip right there worth it. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing submitted. Use photo. Submit. If I can catch me another one. I'm trying to win a boat. Let's go get another one. And the biggest one for this year, maybe. It's so hard to get a good measure on them. Especially on a day like today, the boat's rocking back and forth. I need a better way of measuring him on that board. While we're out here, if there's anything that you guys want to see or have questions about what I'm doing, I can try to help. I'll answer all the questions. I am no professional, but I've really enjoyed doing what I'm doing, and I've learned a lot. I learned a lot from watching YouTube channels, believe it or not. Guys around these parts, that's how I learned most of everything that I'm doing, and trial and error. So if anybody out there has any questions, put it in the comments. I'd love to see them. Whoa, what is that? Whoa, goodness gracious. Oh, oh. That guy right there is a little shark. Come on, dude, what are you doing? Under the boat, really? That's your plan? Yeah. Any other time, been like, hey, cool, little shark. But not today. I'm not trying to catch a little shark, even though they can be fun to catch. Am I gonna have to net you? Oh, don't be trying to bite, dude. Look at those little teethers. You best not try to bite me. There we go. Look at this little guy. Little bitty, little baby black tip. I don't know if you guys can see him. Now let's get him out of here. I am trying to catch a trout, not a little baby shark. I caught one 20-inch sea trout. I think it's called a mora, and a shark. Who would have thought? Is that a grand slam? I don't think so.